Hello students, once again I am with you to discuss one more numerical of your cost accounting. That is your first question. First of all, I would like to explain the question. That is, your first question is, the following expenses are related to the production of 2000 units during the month of August 2018. Then direct material rupees 24,000, direct wages rupees 20,000, factory rent and rates that is 2,000, depreciation on machinery that is 1,000, supervisor salary that is 3,000, indirect material 400, indirect labor 600, office expenses rupees 3,000, other factory expenses rupees 1,000, office salaries rupees 3,600, printing and stationery that is 400, administrative expenses that is 5,000. Prepare a cost sheet, A prime cost, B work cost, and the C total cost of production. Cost of goods sold has not been asked in this question. So let us start doing question. There are three columns. The first one is for particulars, the second one is for total, and the third one is per unit. As in your question 2000 units has been mentioned, means you are manufacturing 2000 units. First of all, we are going to calculate prime cost. So prime cost is equals to direct material, direct labor, and direct expenses. In your question there is direct material of rupees 24,000 and per unit 24,000 डिवाइडेड बाय 2000. इस क्वेश्चन में जितना भी आपका टोटल अमाउंट्स है पर यूनिट निकल जाएगा जब आप उसको 2000 से डिवाइड करेंगे. द सेकेंड वन इज वेजेस दैट इज़ 20,000 डिवाइडेड बाय 2000, ये आ गई है 10 रुपये. और यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट एक्सपेंसेस आपको मेंशन नहीं है तो यही आपकी प्राइम कॉस्ट बन जाती है. तो 24,000 प्लस 20,000 दैट इज़ 44,000. Then 44,000 divided by 22 divided by 2000, that is 22 rupees. आपकी प्राइम कॉस्ट है 44,000 and your per unit prime cost is 22 rupees 22. Now we will add factory overhead and it will become your factory cost or work cost. Factory overhead, let us start with the question. Factory rent and rates that is 2000 divided by 2000, that is 1 rupees. Depreciation on machinery 1000 divided by 2000, that is 50. The next one is indirect material. Indirect material is used in your factory, that's why it is included in this question. And although after depreciation on machinery there is supervisor salary, that is also the part of factory overhead. Yes, I have mentioned this one. सुपरवाइज़र सैलरी दैट इज़ 3,000. इंडायरेक्ट मटेरियल फैक्ट्री में आता है 400. इंडायरेक्ट लेबर दैट इज़ 600. एंड पर यूनिट जब आप इसको 2000 से डिवाइड करते जाएंगे, ये 30 पैसा है, ये 20 पैसा आ गया. 1000 डिवाइडेड बाय 2000, ये 50 पैसा आ गया है. फिर आगे बढ़ते हैं तो आगे आया है अदर फैक्ट्री एक्सपेंसेस दैट इज़ 1000 और ये आपका पर यूनिट आ गया है 50 रुपीज़. अब हम क्या करेंगे, जितना भी आपका फैक्ट्री ओवरहेड है उनकी टोटल कॉस्ट देखते हैं 2000 प्लस 1000 प्लस 400 प्लस 600 प्लस 3000 प्लस 1000 कितना होता है. हाँ, कितना होता है 2 प्लस 1 3, 3400 प्लस 600 4000 7000 एंड 100 8000. 44,000 प्लस 8,000 दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 52,000 और आपकी 52,000 डिवाइडेड बाय 2000 दैट इज़ 26 रुपीज़. तो यहाँ पे आप देखते हो कि आपकी जो प्राइम कॉस्ट है वो है 44,000 और ये पर यूनिट है 22 रुपीज़. और अब 44,000 में जब हमने फैक्ट्री ओवरहेड टोटल जो कि 8,000 रुपये बन रहे हैं हमने ऐड कर दिया तो वो 52,000 बन गया और पर यूनिट कॉस्ट आई है 26 रुपीज़. तो जब तक डायरेक्ट मटेरियल डायरेक्ट वेजेस की बात की जाएगी ऑब्वियसली वो बिल्कुल डायरेक्ट हैं तो वो कम ही होगी, और जब इसमें फैक्ट्री ओवरहेड को जोड़ दिया जाएगा तो वो सारी बन जाएंगी आपकी, वो कॉस्ट को इंक्रीज़ करेंगी. इट विल इंक्रीज़ योर कॉस्ट एंड पर यूनिट कॉस्ट विल ऑल्सो बी increase. So the next one is when you add office overhead, in your factory overhead, then it will become your cost of production. So let us see the question. It's direct material, direct wages, factory rent and rates, depreciation on machinery, supervisor salary, indirect material, indirect labor. Now office expenses, this one, office expenses 3000. Yes, I have mentioned here 3000 per unit, 1.50. The next is office salaries, that is 3600. Yes, exactly this is 3600 per unit. 3600 divided by 2000, that is 1.80. Then printing and stationery 400 divided by 2000, that is 20 paisa. And of course administrative expenses, that is 5000 divided by 2000, that is 2.50. और आपकी कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन आती है 64,000 और पर यूनिट आती है 32 rupees. So in this question, selling and distribution overhead are not mentioned, and if there is selling and overhead expenses, then it will be added to cost of production, and that it will become your cost of goods sold. So I have solved this question number 1 of your book, that is वीके पब्लिकेशन का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो है वो सॉल्व करके मैं आपको बता रही हूँ. I will also send the question and try to note down the question first if you are not having books, and then solve the question as I'm telling you, and after that I'm sending you second and third question. These are also like your first question. Solve that question and post on the WhatsApp. Thank you so much.